Thank you for visiting our online video tutorials. This first tutorial will demonstrate on how to create your account in the Online Permit Center. To begin, we are going to start by going to the Online Permit Center homepage. Please go to co-kidsap-wa.smartgovcommunity.com/. Once you've arrived at the home screen, the first step is to go up to the very right corner and click Sign Up in blue. This will take you to the next screen where we will enter in your account information. You will need to provide us with a valid email address where you would like to receive account alerts and notifications. Next, you will need to enter in a password, and your password must be a minimum of 8 characters long. You will notice below the password section is access code. If you already have applied for your permit and have an access code, you can go ahead and enter it here, and this will link you to your permit. If you do not have an access code for your permit, or you are just beginning the application process, skip this step and click on the blue button Next. This is the contact information slide. This information is associated with your Permit Center account directly, and how we will get a hold of you if there are any issues. You will have a chance to provide us with additional contacts that may be related to your specific project when you apply for your actual permit. These contacts are such as architects, contractors, and other folks that you may want to include on your permit. Make sure for your phone number that you include the area code first, and then you can choose the type of number that this is. Then hit Next. The next page is to review all the information that we just entered. So if you need to go back, click on Edit in one of the sections and you can go back and fix either place. Next is our terms and conditions, so click on the terms and conditions and review these. And please note that their terms and conditions opens in a separate window or tab. So once you've reviewed them, go ahead and click out and you'll go right back to the review screen. If you agree, go ahead and click the checkbox and we'll move on to the next one and create my account. You're back to the home screen, and as you can see, your account has been created up top in blue. Right below in the yellow box, that says that we've just sent you a verification email to the email that you provided. So now go to your email account. You received a verification email from noreply@smartgovcommunity.com. So the next step, you go into the email and click on the blue verification box. Once you hit the verification, you'll notice it will take you to the home screen and your account has been verified up top in blue. You'll also note that your name is now up on the right corner. In that drop-down arrow, this is where you can go update different settings. But you are all set to go apply for your first permit. Thank you very much for joining us today. For assistance in setting up your account, please call us at 360-337-5777 or email us at help@kidsap1.com.